these are the museum stretcher bras from Jackson's Art. Sorry, my bad. Welcome to part 1 of testing tools. This is, I think, the second time of building a canvas, so we'll see how this goes. So as I said, these come as a set. You'll see an opening in the middle, and that's for the center bars for a large canvas. On a smaller canvas, they're not there because you don't need a center bar. And then also you'll have this beveled edge here. The beveled edge is always the front-facing edge where you put your canvas onto. The only other thing I've got is a mallet. Now, a rubber one is probably better for you. However, I took this out of my boyfriend's toolbox because I can't find my rubber hammer. So you got to use what you got. So the way this works is it's like a puzzle. So they slot into each other. So you'll see the gaps in the edges, and they should just slide in. You want to make sure, obviously, you've got the two sides that have the bevel. So I've just pushed this in with my hands, and obviously you can see I have loads of muscles. And I've got to about here, and that's where it's got a bit tough. So I'm just going to use my mallet, and I just want to tap, because obviously this is metal, I want to tap on it slightly. So that's all done like that. You can see there's a tiny little gap. So what I want to do is just put the frame all together, and then hopefully it'll pull it all in. So just using the same process, I'm going to slide this in and then push this down with as much strength as you've got. To be honest, that lines up quite well. And then that wants to slide on the other side, like so. And push them together. And knock that in. So when you order stretcher bars, you will also receive these wedges. You should receive 8 because they come as a pair, and the idea is that they stretch out the canvas frame if you need to do so. If your painting doesn't have them, I suggest you go on Amazon, buy a bag of them, and put them in all your paintings, because it is really, really important for the strength of the canvas and keeping it nice and tight. If you like this video, then please throw some paint splatters at that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have used these museum stretcher bars from Jackson's Art, let me know how you got on with them. I'd love to know your experiences. I found it really simple and easy. As I said, all you'll need is like a mallet, but try and use a rubber one, because what you don't want is any splits in your frame when you hit it, and that can happen. That's why they advise to use a rubber mallet. I hope you're good. Stay creative, guys.